Namaskaram to all of you. We will start with the invocation. Lord Ganesha, first, then Saraswati for knowledge, then Guru, and then for the student-teacher cordial relationship, we will have Sahana Bhavatu. Om Vakratunda Mahakaya Koti Surya Samaprabha Nirvignam Kuru Me Deva Sarvakaryeshu Sarvadam Saraswati Namastubhyam Varade Kamarupini Vidyarambham Karishyami Saddha Bhavatu Me Sadam Gurur Brahma Gurur Vishnu Gurudevo Maheshwaraha Guru Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahanau Bhunaktu Sahavidyan Karavavahai Tejasvinavadhitamastu ma vidvishavahai Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Welcome to Panchajanya Bhagavad Gita chanting course. Few words about Arsha Seva Kendram. Dr. Jaikumar S. Ammangudi, along with two of his friends, founded Arsha Seva Kendram in loving tribute to his Guru, Swami Dayananda Saraswati, who was one of the distinguished disciples of Swami Chinmayananda. Dr. Jaikumar is the founder of Arsha Vidya Satsanga Houston, co-founder of Indian History Awareness and Research, IHAR, a forum to research, understand, and disseminate awareness of Indian history as experienced by Indians. He also has over 25 years of experience in the field of chemical engineering. Arsha Seva Kendram offers online free lectures in Bhagavad Gita, where we are fortunate to have Dr. Jaikumar teaching us. We call him fondly as Guruji. And we have Sanskritam classes taught by various volunteers. We have yoga. Mr. Narayanan, who is hosting this show, is handling yoga classes and many more. And one such added to the list is Bhagavad Gita chanting class. Mahalakshmi ji, who is going to be your teacher. He is graduated with a commerce degree from Delhi. Her interest in Vedanta made her pursue a Vedanta course, Sandipini Sadanalaya, Mumbai, from there. She has an MA in Philosophy and Religion from Madurai University, MS in Counseling and Psychotherapy from Institute of Behavioral Management Sciences. She served as a Shloka teacher with Chinmaya Mission for more than 15 years. She has prepared children for Gita competitions at Mumbai. She has served as zonal judge and coordinator too. On that note, without much delay, over to Mahaji. Thank you.
Namaste and good morning to everyone. It's a privilege that I'm again come to this teaching of Gita chanting once again. I was put up at Mumbai and I had all the opportunity to teach children. And in fact, my journey started with one Mrs. Chitra Vasudevan, who really encouraged me that I should go ahead with the teaching of this shlokas. And that was really a very happy journey for me right through. I have all along been doing this for the past around 15 years in Mumbai, with affiliated with the Chinmaya Mission. And I had an opportunity to go to schools and also teach different age group of children, right from senior KG till 12th standard, 10th standard. Then as a pastime, I used to teach for ladies Vishnu Sahasranamam, Lalita Sahasranamam, like all shlokas. I am really brought up from a very, beautiful family where prayers are mandatory. Like every day without prayer, no, not going out and having food. So my parents used to be very religiously saying prayers. So that has really helped me to learn so many shlokas. And the place I've got married is also, they are also highly religious. So I could continue this journey of teaching Bhagavad Gita and helping children to follow the moral values of life and be successful. And I've been quite happy in bringing about children to whom I have taught and have helped them in coming up good in their studies as well as in their personal life. Still, I am in contact with the children whom I had taught earlier in Bombay. So I'm really happy to start once again with the help of Dr. Jaikumar, who really motivated me that I could do it once again from Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu. So I'm happy to invite you all to join my class. And I would like to now get introduced to the participants. And my thanks to Meera and Narayanan, who have really helped me how to go about with this online classes. He has taken charge of everything for me. He said a few classes, he will definitely help me out. Like I should get into this online mode. So thank you so much, Meera and Narayanan. So I think now we can start with the introduction of the participants. Mr. Narayanan.
Yeah, so I will invite the participants to speak about themselves. I'll go by the alphabetical order. Aparna ji, Aparna Sharma.
Namo Namaha. Forgive me, my bandwidth is very low. I cannot switch on the video. I'll be changing it and then I'll switch it on. My name is Aparna Sharma. Basically, I'm from Mumbai. I'm married in Tamil. I'm staying in Chennai. I'm married to a Tamilian. And I have been a participant of your Sanskrit classes, but due to COVID and ill health after that, I have not been regularly able to join that. So when I got an email stating that Bhagavad Gita was going to take place chanting of it, I thank God and have joined. And I thank you for that opportunity.
Welcome. Welcome, Aparna Sharma.
I request Mr. Venkatraman ji. Venkatraman ji, we can't hear you. We'll come back to Venkatraman ji in a minute. Panant ji. Panant ji.
Yeah. Anantanarayan. My name is Anantanarayan.
Oh, okay. Because your name appears as Panant here. Sorry.
Okay, it's okay. My name is Anantanarayan. I'm from Bombay. I graduated from MIT Madras and still active in my profession. Okay. My interest in Bhagavad Gita is I've been wanting to learn it, but self-learning I have found not helping me to learn it properly. I used to regularly listen to Swami Onkharan, daily WhatsApp, all these things. Still, I thought when you attend a class like this with a guru in front of you, you'll be able to do a better job. That's why I joined.
Welcome. Welcome to the class.
Ravi ji. Ravi ji, you can also put on the video. Yeah.
You can hear me now. Acha, the video, it is not reversing. So for some reason, so I'll just.
Okay.
Like you, I think I'm also learning online for the first time. So I'm also a Delhiite, and then subsequently I joined the army and I retired about 7 years back. I have been reciting Vishnu Sahasranamam for almost about 20 years now. So other than that, I got interested in Bhagavad Gita, and I've been listening to Velukudi Krishnan Swami for the last almost 2-3 years. But still, I thought that I should make an attempt, though I don't know how far I'll succeed because memory fails, and I've had COVID issues and all that, and I find that memory is failing quite a bit. But I hope that with your help of a guru like you, I will be able to at least achieve something in these classes. Thank you. Thank you so much for including me in these classes.
Sure, sir. Sure. We'll definitely do that. Welcome to the group.
Thank you.
Renate Vetterji.
Namaste. I'm from Rosebud, Australia. I've been studying Vedanta for about 2 or 3 years, and I spent some time in Coimbatore at the Ashavidya Anakati ashram for a 108-day Vedanta course. During that period, I went right through the Bhagavad Gita. Since I've been back, that was in 2019. Since I've been back, I'm now just self-learning and learning through Zoom as well. I have been studying Bhagavad Gita now. This will be my 3rd round, but the chanting will be more emphasized, I think, in this round. I'm not sure. And I also study Lalita for now 3 months with a group in Adelaide, which is about 8 hours away from where I am. And I also have studied with them Vishnu Sahasranamam. So thank you for letting me join, and I appreciate being here. Thank you.
Welcome to the group. I'm so happy. You know Lalita Sahasranam and Vishnu Sahasranam. Great going. Welcome.
Venkatramanji.
Good morning to every one of you. Vijayadevamase Dasami Subhashitaya. My name is Yavi Venkatraman. My age is 85. I'm trying to learn Sanskrit. Also Bhagavad Gita. Though it is late, I'm trying my level best to chant and learn Sanskrit. I was working in Bharat Heavy Electricals at Hyderabad and Bangalore. After retirement, I moved to Chennai, and I have got a daughter and a son. Son is in US. My daughter is a doctor, eye specialist. I stay with her after my wife expired. Thank you.
Welcome, sir. Welcome to the group. Namaskar.
Thank you.
Haraprasad ji.
Yes. Namaste. Namaste, Mahodaya. Can you hear me?
We can hear you, sir.
Yes.
Okay, very good. I'm Haraprasad. I'm in Houston, Texas. I'm a student of Jayakumar, and I'm taking classes from him, but I wanted to formally learn the chanting. So I have enrolled, and hopefully you're going to record all this one, Mahoday?
It's being recorded, Mahodaya.
Okay, wonderful. Because some days it is quite late. It is 1 o'clock in the early morning for me. So I may not be able to attend every class, but I'm definitely going to listen to the recording.
Sure. You're welcome to the group, sir.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Jai Shri ji.
Namaste. I'm Jayashree. I'm from Melbourne, Australia. I'm a student of Mr. Jai Kumar as well, and I'm learning Sanskrit since 3 years now. I've been learning Bhagavad Gita in Chimya Mission as well. So yeah, but yeah, I just want to learn. It's a nice one. So I'm very much interested in it.
Welcome, welcome.
Thank you very much. Thank you. My son.
Oh, hello. Who can learn?
He is learning Bhagavad Gita as well. So I teach him.
Oh, very good.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because it's better. I didn't get to learn when I was small, so at least he can learn. So yeah.
Keep chanting,
Thank
you will learn like that.
Yeah. Thank you very much.
Sri Vidyaji.
Namaskaram. Hari Om. I'm Sri Vidya Sudhakaran. I'm living in a village near Mayavaram in Tamil Nadu, South Tamil Nadu. I'm a housemaker. So for the past 30 years, I've been living in Chennai. Now I moved to my own village here. I'm a student of Jai Kumar Guruji for the past 2 years now, and I'm learning Bhagavad Gita, and I'm learning Sanskrit from Asha Vidya Gurukulam. I want to perfect this chanting of Bhagavad Gita. I am trying my best to. I was trying actually my best to learn from the recordings, but I couldn't. Now I want to make it perfect.
Welcome to the group.
Vijay Mahodaya.
Namaste. My name is Vijay. I'm based in Bangalore. And again, I'm a student of Jai Kumar Ji, learning Bhagavad Gita from him. Also learning Sanskrit from Banu Mahodaya. But yeah, chanting is something I wanted to formally learn so that pronunciations and the way it has to be chanted, I can learn better. It's an interest from a long time. So opportunities are coming at the right time. Divine is making those opportunities. So when this came, I thought, okay, this is a good way to learn chanting. Earlier focus was on understanding the meaning of Bhagavad Gita, which Jai Kumar Ji is now taking us through. Now, along with that, if I can learn chanting, that will probably become a part of my daily routine. That's my idea of making it a part of my routine. So happy to be with all of you. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Welcome to the group.
Thank you, Jay.
Vimala ji, please go ahead.
Vimala, நான் தான் விமலா. தமிழ்ல பேசலாமா?
பேசலாம். தெரியும். சொல்லுங்க.
அதாவது இங்கிலீஷ்ல ரொம்ப அவள மாதிரி வராது.
நீங்க தமிழ்ல சொல்லுங்க.
நான் சின்ன குழந்தையில பாம்பேல தான் படிச்சேன். SSLC வரைக்கும். சான்ஸ்கிரிட்டும் கிளாஸ்ல பாடம் இருக்குது. அதுக்கப்புறம் கல்யாணம் பண்ணி இங்க மதுரை பக்கம் வந்ததுக்கு அப்புறம் டெவலப் பண்ண முடியல. ஆனா நான் அதை வச்சுட்டு ஸ்லோகம் எல்லாம் படிச்சேன், மனப்பாடம் பண்ணேன். அப்படித்தான் வந்து இப்போ உபன்யாசங்கள்லாம் கேட்கறதுனால இதை பாராயணம் பண்றதுக்கு ஒரு ஹெல்ப் இருந்தா பண்ணலாம்னு நினைச்சேன். உங்களோட கிடைக்கிறது
ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம். வாங்கோ, ஜாயின் பண்ணுங்க குரூப்பை. டெஃபினட்டா நல்லபடியா பகவான் வழி சாண்ட் டுகெதர்.
சீதாராமந்த சுவாமிஜியோட உபன்யாசங்கள்லாம் கேட்டுட்டே இருப்பேன். அதனால டெய்லி அது வந்துட்டே இருக்கும். அதனால இப்ப இது வர்றது வந்தோடனே இந்த சான்ஸ் விட வேண்டாம்னு நினைச்சேன். படிக்கலாம். ரொம்ப
I hope I have covered everybody. Did I leave out anybody? I think I have covered everybody.
There one Vijay Menon.
Vijay Mahodaya, I spoke previously, just before Vimala ji.
Okay. So usually Ekadashi chanting we used to do whole of 18 chapters in 3 hours. Like during Ekadashi at home, I used to go, or here after coming here with Arsha Vidyalaya, there we used to go there and chant. Around 3 o'clock we start and we finish by 6:30 with a prasadam. Ekadashis we used to do that. But now with COVID, all these activities have just it's been stopped now. Today also being Ekadashi, I feel let us start with a few shlokas. Shall we go ahead, Mr. Narayanan?
Yeah, Maharaj, we can start today. Today is a auspicious day to start.
Auspicious day to start. Yes. So like I'll also start with a prayer. Once again, we'll start with the Ganesha Vandana, then Saraswati, then Guru, then the participant and the Guru sloka, right? Together we'll say Om 3 times. Vakratunda Mahakaya Suryakoti Samaprabha Nirvignam Kuru Me Deva Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada Saraswati Namastubhyam Varade Kamarupini Vidyarambam Karishyami Siddhir Bhavatu Me Sada Gurur Brahma Gurur Vishnu Gurur Devo Maheshwaraha Guru Sakshat Param Brahma Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha Sahana Bhavatu Sahano Bhunaktu Saha Viryam Karavavahai Tejasvinavaditamastu ma vidvishavahai Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. So today we will start with the Dhyana Shloka. Like I will say it once, then I will repeat it thrice. You all can repeat with me. But about the books, do you all have a book with you? Bhagavad Gita book? Yes? That Dhyana Shloka, can you take that page, Dhyana Shloka? Om Parthaya Pratibodhitam. All of you have got that? Shall we start? Yes? Om Parthaya Pratibodhitam. Om Parthaya Pratibodhitam. Om Parthaya Pratibodhitam. Bhagavata Narayanena Swayam. Bhagavata Narayanena Swayam. Bhagavata Narayanena Swayam. Vyasena Gratitam Purana Munina. Vyasena Gratitam Purana Munina. Vyasena Gratitam Purana Munina. Madhye Mahabharatam. Madhye Mahabharatam. Madhye Mahabharatam. Again I repeat from Om Parthaya. ॐ पार्थाय प्रतिबोधिताम् ॐ पार्थाय प्रतिबोधिताम् ॐ पार्थाय प्रतिबोधिताम् भगवता नारायणेन स्वयं भगवता नारायणेन स्वयं भगवता नारायणेन स्वयं व्यासेन ग्रथितां पुराणमुनिना व्यासेन ग्रथितां पुराणमुनिना व्यासेन ग्रथितां पुराणमुनिना मध्ये महाभारतम् मध्ये महाभारतम् मध्ये महाभारतम् अद्वैतामृतवर्षिणीं भगवतीम् अद्वैतामृतवर्षिणीं भगवतीम् अद्वैतामृतवर्षिणीं भगवतीम् अष्टादशाध्यायिनीम् 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 अम्ब त्वामनुसन्दधामि भगवत् अम्ब त्वामनुसन्दधामि भगवत् अम्ब त्वामनुसन्दधामि भगवत् गीते भवद्वेषिणी गीते भवद्वेषिणी गीते भवद्वेषिणी. I repeat the second portion once again. अद्वैतामृतवर्षिणीं भगवती अद्वैतामृतवर्षिणीं भगवती अद्वैतामृतवर्षिणीं भगवती अष्टादशाध्यायिनीम् 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 अम्ब त्वामनुसन्दधामि भगवत् अम्ब त्वामनुसन्दधामि भगवत् अम्ब त्वामनुसन्दधामि भगवत् गीते भवद्वेषिणी गीते भवद्वेषिणी गीते भवद्वेषिणी. I request that I will chant all the 4 lines once. Okay. Om Parthaya Pratibodhitam Bhagavata Narayanena Swayam Vyasena Graditam Purana Munina Madhye Mahabharatam Advaitamritavarshiniim Bhagavatim Ashtadashaadhyayinim Amba tvamanusandadhami Bhagavad Gite Bhavadveshini. I think this, having started, we'll go through slowly so that from next class we'll do another revision. Narayanan sir, is that okay?
Yes, ma'am. What we can now do is maybe if you want to invite a couple of people to chant and
Yeah, we can do that.
anybody who wants to chant can raise their hand, please.
Yeah, but
I have two hands, Sri Vidya ji and Vimala ji. I'll request Vimala ji to start first.
no, there is one more hand. So,
Venkatraman ji, yeah. We'll give ladies priority today.
okay. Okay. Chalo.
Partaya pratibodhita bhagavata Narayanena swayam Vyasena gratita Purana munina Madhye Mahabharatam. Northern Chalava.
Continue பண்ணுங்க.
Advaitamritavarshiniim Bhagavatim Ashtadasadhyayi Ambatvamanusandanami Bhagavat Gite Bhavadveshini.
Oh, super. Umarana vandu. Right, day one you have done well. Nalla vandirthu.
Vidya Mohoday.
Om Parthaya Pratibodhitam Bhagavata Narayanena Swayam Vyasena Kratitam Purana Munina Madhye Mahabharatam Advaitamritavarshiniim Bhagavatim Ashtadashadhyayini Mambatvamanusandatami Bhagavad Gite Bhavadveshini.
Very good. Super.
Venkatraman ji.
Om Parthaya Pratibodhitam Bhagavata Narayanena Swayam Vyasena Gratitam Purana Munina Madhye Mahabharatam Advaitam Amritavarshiniim Bhagavatim Ashtadashadhyayinim Ambatvam Anusandadhami Bhagavad Gite Bhavadveshini.
Oh, Rumarana vandu sir, super.
Thank you.
உங்களுக்கு எல்லாம் தெரியுது முதல்ல இருந்தே, like you all know already. Very nice.
Anybody else wants to chant, please?
Anand.
Anand sir, okay, please go ahead, sir. So anybody who wants to chant, my request is on the Zoom menu button, there's a button called reactions. If you can raise the hand, I'll get a flag. Because I'm not seeing everybody on the screen. Okay. So if you raise a flag, yeah. Right. Go ahead, sir.
Om Partaya Pratibodhitam Bhagavata Narayanena Swayam Vyasena Kratitam Purana Munina Madhye Mahabharatam Advaitamritavarshiniim Bhagavatim Ashtadashadhyayini Ambatvam Anusandhyatami Bhagavad Gite Bhavadveshini.
Came out well. I think we can finish it fast. Everybody is learning day one. So expert. Thank you, sir.
Om Partaya Pratipuritam Bhagavata Narayanena Swayam Vyasena Kratitam Purana Munina Madhye Mahabharatam Advaitamritavarshini Bhagavatim Astarasadhyayi Ambatvamanusattadhami Bhagavad Gite Bhavatveshini.
Very good, very good. It's come out well.
Thank you.
I don't have any more requests. Mahaji, maybe we can go into the second Dhyana Shloka also.
Second Dhyana Shloka also?
We have time. We have another 20 minutes.
Okay.
Mahaji, 1 minute. Aparnaji has raised her hand. We'll finish off first.
Okay, okay. Let's listen.
Aparnaji, please go ahead.
जी ओम पार्थाय प्रतिबोधितां भगवता नारायणेन स्वयं व्यासेन ग्रथितां पुराणमुनिना मध्ये महाभारतम् अद्वैता अमृतवर्षिणीं भगवतीम् अष्टाध्यायिनी भगवतीम्
अष्टादशाध्यायिनी
भगवतीम् अष्टादशाध्यायिनी अम्ब त्वामनुसन्दधामि भगवत् गीते भवद्वेषिणी.
Very good, very good. So anybody else who wants to chant? Is there any hand raised?
No, Mahaji. I think we can proceed further.
I'll proceed with this next 4 lines, right?
Yes, yes, Mahaji.
Namostute Vyasa Vishala Buddhe. Namostute Vyasa Vishala Buddhe. Namostute Vyasa Vishala Buddhe. Fullarabindayata Patra Netra. Fullarabindayata Patra Netra. Fullarabindayata Patra Netra. Yena tvaya bharata taila purnaha. Yena tvaya bharata taila purnaha. Yena tvaya bharata taila purnaha. Prajvalito jnanamaya pradipaha. Prajvalito jnanamaya pradipaha. Prajvalito jnanamaya pradipaha. Again repeating. Namostute Vyasa Vishala Buddhe. Namostute Vyasa Vishala Buddhe. Namostute Vyasa Vishala Buddhe. Fullarabindayata Patra Netra. Fullarabindayata Patra Netra. Fullarabindayata Patra Netra. Yena tvaya bharata taila purnaha. Yena tvaya bharata taila purnaha. Prajvalito jnanamaya pradipaha. Prajvalito jnanamaya pradipaha. Prajvalito jnanamaya pradipaha. Now I am chanting it only once. Namostute व्यास विशाल बुद्धे फुल्लारविन्दायत पत्र नेत्र येन त्वया भारत तैलपूर्णः प्रज्वालितो ज्ञानमयः प्रदीपः. Is it okay?
Mahaji, no. You can invite people who want to chant. I think Vimla ji is ready.
Anybody who wants to chant?
Salalama. Namostute Vyasa Visala Buddhe Pulla. Mood the Chalava.
Illa, what are the
Lara Binda Yata Patra Netra Yena Tvaya Bharata Taila Punaka Prajwalito Jnanamaya Pradipaka.
Super. Super particularly. Mana particularly. Very good. Who is the next? Yes. Mr. Anand.
Vidyaji, please go ahead.
Namostute Vyasa Vishala Buddhe Fullaravindaaya Tapatra Netra Yena Tvaya Bharata Taila Purnaha Prajwalito Jnanamaya Pradipaha.
Good, very good. Correct.
Acha. Namostute Vyasa Vishala Buddhe Pullaravindaaya Tapatra Netra Yena Tvaya Bharata Taila Purnaha Prajwalito Jnanamaya Pradipaha.
Namaskar.
Anand ji, please go ahead.
Namostute Vyasa Vishala Buddhe Pullaravindayata Patra Netra Yena Tvaya Bharata Taila Purnaha Prajwalito Jnanamaya Pradipaha.
Super. Yeah. Renate
ji, please go ahead.
Namostute Vyasa Vishala Buddhe Pullaravindayata Patra Netra Yena Tvaya Bharata Taila Purnaha Prajwalito Jnanamaya Pradipaha.
Can you repeat the first sentence? Namostute.
Namostute Vyasa Vishala Buddhe.
Yes, Vyasa Vishala Buddhi.
Vishala Buddhe.
Namostute Vyasa Vishala Buddhe.
Namostute Vyasa Vishala Buddhe.
That's right. Thank you. Okay. Next.
Aparna ji.
Aparna Sharma.
Namostute Vyasa Vishala Buddhe Fullaravindaayata Patra Netra Yena Tvaya Bharata Taila Purnaha Prajwalito Jnanamaya Pradipaha.
Very good. Ma'am, we cannot see you.
Ravi ji, can you switch on the? Okay, Ravi ji, please go ahead.
Namostute Vyasa Vishala Buddhe Pullaravinda Yata Patra Netra Yena Tvaya Bharata Taila Purnaha Prajwalito Jnanamaya Pradipaha.
Good. Very good, sir.
Haraprasad ji, you wanted to chant? Yeah.
Yes. Yes. May I?
Yes. Yeah, please go ahead, sir.
Okay. नमोस्तुते व्यास विशाल बुद्धे पुल्लारविन्दाय तपत्रनेत्र येन त्वया भारततैलपूर्णः प्रज्वालितो ज्ञानमय प्रदीपः.
Sir, very good, sir. Nalla vandu. It's come out well.
We have Jayashree ji, you want to try?
That is.
Yeah, I can try.
Yeah, please go ahead.
नमोस्तु ते व्यास विशाल बुद्धे पुल्लारविन्दाय तपत्र नेत्र येन त्वया भारत तैलपूर्णः प्रज्वालितो ज्ञानमय प्रदीपः.
Fantastic. You are really chanting so well. Good.
Thank you.
Anybody else?
Mahaji, we covered everybody. In fact, we are maintaining a good pace. I think we can go proceed.
Should I go for the next shloka also?
Yeah, Mahaji, I think we can do that.
Yeah, I'll go for the next stanza. Prapanna parijataya to prapanna parijataya prapanna parijataya Totravetraikapanaye 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 Jnanamudraya Krishnaya Jnanamudraya Krishnaya Jnanamudraya Krishnaya Geetamritaduhe Namaha Geetamritaduhe Namaha Geetamritaduhe Namaha. I repeat. Prapanna parijataya Prapanna parijataya Prapanna parijataya Totravetraikapanaye 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 Jnanamudraya Krishnaya Jnanamudraya Krishnaya Geetamritaduhe Namaha Geetamritaduhe Namaha Geetamritaduhe Namaha. Now I am writing it fully once. Prapanna parijataya Totravetraikapanaye Jnanamudraya Krishnaya Geetamritaduhe Namaha. This is third stanza. Would anybody like to chant again?
Please raise your hands electronically. Sri Vidyaji, please go ahead.
Prapanna parijataya Totravetraikapanaye Jnanamudraya Krishnaya Geetamritaduhe Namaha.
Very good. Super.
Anantaji.
Prapanna. Okay.
Anandji, you are muted.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Prapanna parijataya Totravetraikapanaye Jnanamudraya Krishnaya Geetamritaduhe Namaha.
Super. Great. Great going.
Venkatramanji.
Prapanna parijataya Totravetraikapanaye Jnanamudraya Krishnaya Geetamritaduhe Namaha.
Allah sir. announce.
சொல்லவா?
சொல்லுங்க.
பிரபன்ன பாரிஜாதாய ஸ்தோத்ர வேத்ரைக பாணயே ஞானமுத்ராய கிருஷ்ணாய கீதாமிருததுஹே நமஹ.
Fantastic. Renate ji.
Prapanna parijataya thotra vetraikapanaye yanna mutraya krishnaya Geetamrita tuhe namaha.
It is Jnana Mudraya.
Jnana Mudraya.
Jnana Mudraya Krishnaya.
Jnana Mudraya Krishnaya.
Krishnaya Geetamrita duhe namaha.
Yanna Mudraya Krishnaya Geetamrita tuhe namaha.
Good, very good. That's correct. Next,
Ravi ji.
Ravi.
Prapanna parijataya stotra vetreka panaye jnana mudraya krishnaya Geetamrita duhe namaha.
Super, sir. But we are not able to see you, but the chanting is good.
Next time I'll be better with that. I think I don't want to tamper with the camera now.
Okay, no worries. It's okay.
Aparna-ji.
Prapanna parijataya stotra vaitraika panaye jnanamudraya krishnaya Geetamritaduhe namaha.
Super.
Anybody else? We don't have any more raised hands. Okay. Maji, maybe we can ask participants to give their feedback.
Yes, right from.
Haraprasad ji has raised his hand. Haraprasad ji, please go ahead.
It's Anantanaran.
Yeah.
I'm very happy that I got an opportunity like this. I've been trying various means to learn chanting, but this way of, you were saying, splitting these chances, then again full, definitely it is helping me, and I'm sure as per your program of 3 months, I'll be able to complete it.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Shall I go ahead?
Prasad ji, please go ahead.
Yeah. Prapanna parijataya stotra vetreka panaye jnana mudraya krishnaya Geetamritaduhe namaha.
Very good, sir. It has come out well.
Anybody else wants to share their feedback and unmute and speak, please? Venkatramaji, you can speak. Yeah.
I'm extremely pleased and very happy I joined this class. I hope I will be able to chant much better in the coming days with Mahodaya. Thank you so much.
Sure. Shall try together.
Namaste.
Namaste.
I think it's wonderful to come together to do something like the Bhagavad Gita, and I have found that working even in this Zoom environment very beneficial and very rewarding. I hope you all feel the same. So thank you. It's a privilege for me. Thank you.
Class இதோட முடியலனா எப்படி கணக்கு? இன்னைக்கு 12 இருக்குல்ல?
It's 12 no.
நீ புதன்கிழமை தானே?
இன்னைக்கு today is Saturday.
மணி 2 hours ஆ?
1 hour.
1 hour.
1 hour தானே?
Yeah, 1 hour. Yeah. So we'll conclude by saying a prayer. Okay.
Anybody else wants to share anything, please? Before
Yes,
we conclude?
please.
Aparna ji, please go ahead.
Yes.
I'm ashamed to say I have not been much of a shloka reciter and all in my life. So when I got this chance, I'm so much very grateful for you all to do this, for everyone, each one of you. And I can actually read it and I can recite it. It is very, like, I'm amazed at myself. And I thank you so much. I'm sure by the end of 3 months, I'll be able to learn Bhagavad Gita's recitation and other slokas also. Thank you.
Sure, sure, ma'am, sure. We'll work together.
Thank you.
Shall we conclude with a prayer? Shall I go ahead?
சொல்லுங்க.
Yeah, Mahaji. பண்ணலாம்.
Pranam. Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om. Thank you, everyone. Shall meet on Wednesday, same time, 11 to 12. Is it okay, Narayanji?
Yes, Mahaji. We'll meet 11:30. Yeah.
Okay.
Requesting all participants can switch on their videos, so it will be more comfortable for us to, for Mahaji also to teach.
Yeah.
She can see the people also.
Yes, I'll be doing.
Yeah, some people had some difficulty today. Hopefully,
Yeah.
we'll be able to get it corrected by Wednesday.
Thank you, sir.